welcome to this edition of NetSuite Tips and Tricks presented by goVirtualOffice. goVirtualOffice is a top NetSuite provider with over 14 years of experience, where our vision is to always exceed customer satisfaction, be a market leader in cloud-based software, and be a great place to work. In this video, we're going to use some creative use of some NetSuite functionality related to forms in combination with a nice simple function in our browsers that will allow us to quickly find fields on a form when the location of that field may be buried on a sub-tab somewhere. So to begin, we are tasked with finding the commodity code field on this item form. So what we could do is we could do a Control F in our browser to bring up Find and go ahead and type in commodity. And you can see if I hit enter and as I'm typing, it's searching, I can't find commodity. So I know that it's not at least in my window at this time. So chances are good that that commodity code field is hidden on one of our subtabs. And obviously we could just click through our subtabs to find that field. There's a little bit of scrolling and clicking, going one by one through our subtabs to locate that specific commodity code field. Alternatively, what we could do is we could use our unrolled view functionality here on the form, and we could go ahead and turn this unrolled view on. And when I do that, all of my subtabs will be placed on within the browser vertically so that I can actually scroll down from top to bottom and I can see all of my different subtabs. Well, what that does is it allows us to actually search for our field on all the subtabs at once. So now if I do my Control F again and I still have commodity loaded there, if I hit enter, you can see now I have 3 occurrences of the word commodity, and I can go right down to the bottom and I can see that my commodity code field is actually on my EU Intrastat reporting subtab. So I've now located that field that may have taken a little bit more time clicking through subtabs to find it, but now using my unrolled view and actually unrolling all of my subtabs, I was able to locate it pretty quickly. If I want to roll my subtabs back up, I can just click on any of the blue banners and click on that button again and roll up my subtabs back to the way it was looking before. But again, now I do know that my commodity code field is on my EU Intrastat reporting. And I was able to do that with just a couple of clicks once on the form and then using my Control F in my browser to search for that term. Thank you.